Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to pass your C-4 license exam. Now, the C-4 Boiler Hot Water Heating and Steam Fitting Contractor License exam includes 5 sections: planning and estimation, boiler system removal preparation and installation, specialty boiler installation, boiler system maintenance, repair and retrofit, and there'll be a section on safety. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the C-4 license, you're going to want to watch our previous video where we break this classification down in detail. Today, we're just going to be focusing on the examination. Now, as is the case for all California contractor licenses that fall under the C specialty, you'll need to pass a CSLB Law and Business exam. That'll include sections on business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, public works, and there'll be a section on safety. So basically, you'll have to pass 2 exams: 115 questions covering law and business, and 115 questions covering boiler, hot water heating, and steam fitting. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete each section. It's going to be a computerized exam that you take at a CSLB testing facility. So if you're somebody that's applying from out of state, just know that you will need to come to California to take the exam. Now, we've got a free guide that breaks the entire licensing process in California down from A to Z, how to fill out the application correctly, sample questions, everything that you need to know. You can download that in the top right-hand corner. Now, the boiler specialty portion of your test is going to be extremely critical. You're going to be tested on a wide range of different areas that fall under this trade, including planning and estimation, removal of boiler systems, specialty boiler installation, school and hospital boiler systems, testing and completing, piping systems. You'll need to know about linear expansion, safety valves, welding, job site safety, understanding dangerous materials, confined workspaces, and then of course be familiar with the Cal OSHA regulations. Now, there's a lot more that's going to be on this test, but this is just kind of a snapshot of what you need to be prepared to answer questions on. Now, the math that you're going to want to be familiar with going into this exam is obviously you want to be familiar with your applied math, so arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You want to be familiar with calculating square footage. You want to be comfortable with the units of measurement, and then, of course, job costing and estimation, so decimals and percentages and things like that. Now, preparing for your California contractor license exam, obviously make sure that you have a solid understanding of California law and business. It represents 50% of the exam, so it's going to be huge that you're able to answer questions on that. And then your trade-specific fundamentals. Make sure that you've seen the possible questions that could arise and that you understand all aspects of your trade. As I said before, California health and safety codes are going to be huge. So, California takes job site safety, workers' rights, environmental safety extremely seriously. So it's going to represent a significant portion of your exam. And then obviously your fundamental math skills. Understand your common equations, common formulas, and just have a basic math skill set going into the test. Have some test taking experience. Timed exams with flashcards, answer explanations are extremely helpful. Walkthroughs of the exam with licensed contractors, helping you decipher the language and not only understand how to pass the exam, but how to run a profitable contracting company in California. These are all going to be kind of critical steps. They're all included in our C4 license program. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to our channel. And again, my name is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks so much for watching.